Today we are exploring one of the most beloved Linux distributions that has been quietly winning hearts across the globe, Linux Mint. Whether you are completely new to Linux or a seasoned user looking for a reliable daily driver, this video will show you exactly why millions of people have made Linux Mint their operating system of choice. We'll be covering 10 compelling reasons why Linux Mint stands out in the crowded world of operating systems. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why it might just be the perfect fit for your computing needs. Let's dive in. The first reason Linux Mint excels is its incredibly welcoming approach to new users. The default Cinnamon desktop environment has been carefully designed to feel familiar to anyone coming from Windows. The taskbar sits at the bottom, there's a start menu in the corner, and everything behaves exactly as expected. This isn't an accident. The Linux Mint team understands that switching operating systems can feel overwhelming, so they have created an environment that reduces that learning curve to practically zero. The desktop layout is intuitive, the system menus are logically organized, and common tasks like connecting to Wi-Fi, adjusting volume, or managing files work exactly as newcomers would expect. The familiar foundation means users can be productive immediately rather than spending weeks learning an entirely new way of interacting with their computer. Unlike many operating systems that requires hours of setups and software installation, Linux Mint comes completely ready for real-world use. Right after installation, users will find multimedia codecs already installed, meaning videos, music, and streaming services work without any additional configuration. Essential applications are pre-installed, including LibreOffice for documents and spreadsheets, Firefox for web browsing, and media players for entertainment. Graphics drivers are automatically detected and installed, eliminating the frustration that many users experience with hardware compatibility. This comprehensive approach means there's no hunting for software downloads or dealing with codec installations, and no wondering why certain websites or media files won't work. Everything simply functions from day one, allowing users to focus on their work and entertainment rather than system maintenance. Linux Mint builds upon Ubuntu's long-term support release, which provides an incredibly solid foundation. This means the core system receives security updates and bug fixes for years, creating a stable platform that users can depend on for both personal and professional use. The distribution strikes an excellent balance between having current software and maintaining the system stability. Critical security updates are applied regularly, but the system avoids the constant churn of bleeding-edge releases that can sometimes introduce instability. This approach makes Linux Mint particularly appealing for the users who need their computer to work reliably every day. Whether it's for business presentations, creative projects, or simply browsing the web, the system provides consistent performance without unexpected surprise or system-breaking updates. Linux Mint includes several unique applications that solve real-world problems users face every day. Timeshift automatically creates system snapshots, providing an insurance policy against any potential issues. If an update causes problem or software conflict arise, users can restore their system to a previous working state in minutes. The driver manager simplifies hardware compatibility by automatically detecting and offering appropriate drivers for graphics card, wireless adapters, and other components. Warpinator enables seamless file sharing between computers on the same network without any complex setup. The Update Manager gives users complete control over updates, clearly categorizing them by importance and allowing selective installation. These tools demonstrate that the Linux Mint team's understanding of practical computing needs and their commitment to solving them elegantly. Linux Mint offers impressive flexibility without sacrificing the performance. The desktop environment can be customized extensively through themes, applets, and layout modifications, allowing users to create a workspace that matches their preferences and workflow. Despite this customization potential, Mint remains remarkably lightweight. It runs smoothly on modern hardwares while also breathing new life to older computers that might struggle with more resource-intensive operating systems. This efficiency means faster boot times, responsive applications, and better battery life on laptops. The system includes multiple desktop environments: Cinnamon for modern features, or Mate for traditional experience, and XFCE for maximum performance on older hardware. This variety ensures there is an option suitable for any computer regardless of its age or specifications. One of Linux Mint's standout feature is its thoughtful approach to system updates. The Update Manager categorizes updates by their potential impacts, helping users make informed decisions about what to install and when. Critical security updates are clearly marked and recommended for immediate installation, while other updates are presented with clear descriptions of their purpose and potential effects. This transparency empowers users to maintain their systems safely without fear of unexpected changes or compatibility issues. The system also supports kernel management, allowing users to stick with the stable kernel versions while still receiving security patches. This level of control is particularly valuable for users who prioritize system stability above having the absolute latest features. The Linux Mint community has earned a reputation for being welcoming and helpful to users of all experience levels. The official forums provide a space where newcomers can ask questions without judgment, while experienced users share solutions and tips. The project maintains comprehensive documentation that covers everything from basic installation to advanced customization. This documentation is written in clear, accessible language that doesn't assume extensive technical knowledge. Additionally, the large user base means that solutions to common problems are well documented online. Whether someone encounters a specific hardware issue or wants to accomplish a particular task, there's likely already a detailed solution available from community members who have faced the same challenge. Linux Mint recognizes that different users have different needs and preferences, which is why it offers 3 distinct desktop environments. The Cinnamon Edition provides a modern, feature-rich experience with beautiful animations and contemporary design elements. The Mate Edition offers a more traditional desktop experience, perfect for users who prefer classical layouts and proven workflows. It's also lighter on the system resources while maintaining full functionality. The XFCE Edition maximizes performance and efficiency, making it ideal for older hardware or users who prioritize speed and responsiveness above visual effects. Despite being the lightest option, it still provides a complete and user-friendly desktop experience. This choice means users can select the edition that best matches their hardware capabilities and personal preferences, rather than being forced into a one-size-fits-all solution. Linux Mint has found an excellent middle ground between innovation and familiarity. The desktop maintains traditional concepts that users understand, like a taskbar, system tray, and hierarchical menus, while incorporating modern conveniences such as notification systems, workspace management, and contemporary application launchers. This balanced approach means users don't need to abandon their established workflows or learn entirely from new paradigms to be productive. At the same time, they benefit from modern features that enhance productivity and user experience. The system evolves thoughtfully, adding genuinely useful features while preserving the simplicity and reliability that users depend on. This philosophy creates an environment where users can efficiently work without constantly adapting to interface changes or feature removals. In an era where privacy concerns are increasingly important, Linux Mint takes a refreshingly straightforward approach. The operating system contains no hidden telemetry, no advertising, and no data collection mechanisms that report user behavior to third parties. This commitment to privacy extends beyond just avoiding data collection. The system respects their autonomy by providing clear control over all system functions and never making decisions on behalf of the user without explicit consent. Unlike commercial operating systems that may change privacy policies or introduce new tracking features through updates, Linux Mint's open source nature ensures transparency. Users can examine exactly what their operating system does and can trust their computing activities remain private. Linux Mint represents something special in the world of operating system, a distribution that prioritizes user experience, stability, and respect for the choice above all else. From its welcoming interface to its powerful tools, from its rock-solid stability to its commitment to privacy, Mint delivers an operating system that simply works. And lastly, I hope you found this video helpful. Consider subscribing and turn on notifications for more Linux contents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.